In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your data from multiple sheets and automatically sort them here in Google Sheets. So when you're planning on merging multiple data from multiple tabs, you can do that by using your arrays, and we can add another function that would automatically sort it. So let's get started and combine these sales tabs right here. So I have 3 different tabs that have the same headers. So in my final list right here, this is the tab or the sheet where I want to combine all of these data. And I'm going to do that again with an array. And with our arrays, we use curly brackets. So let's get started with our formula. Put in your equal sign right here under your first header, which is your customer. And then put in your open curly bracket. There we have it. Let's select the range from our first tab right here. So I'm going to select that. There you have it. Then I'm going to put in a semicolon. Now this semicolon will make sure that the data will be stacked on top of each other. So we have the first one. Next tab, let's select that range and make sure to just select your data without the headers. Because again, we already have that in our final list. So another semicolon, again, to stack up these data on top of each other. And the last one would be this one, our final tab. Again, make sure not to select your headers already and close that off with your curly bracket. If we press enter, here we have it. We've successfully merged all of those 3 data in this one tab right here. Now, the problem with this one is that if you do add additional data on one of these tabs right here, we won't be able to add them. For example, if I were to add a name, there we go. Let's say this person bought a laptop, just one, with a unit price of 900, which totals to 900 as well. There you have it. So that's our newly added data on our first tab right here. But if we go and check our final list, it's not found in our final list. So this is after our Valentina Ferry right here. So if we go to Valentina Ferry, we do have a Marcus, but it's a different name. So this is from our second tab already. So with our current array, new data would not automatically be added to our final list. So what we're going to do is to actually remove the end cell reference, which is our row number, so that when we do press enter, there you go. We have here Marcus Demi automatically added. But the thing here is, where are the rest of our data? Well, right now they're found after 1000 rows, because when we do remove the end cell reference of our range, it automatically adds up the rest of our empty rows into our final list. So to fix that, what we're going to do is to actually add our sort function. So with our sort function, it sorts all of our data and puts all the empty rows at the end of our sheet. So if we go ahead and do that, let's go to the top. Here we go to our formula right here. We are going to put in sort. Before that array, open and close parentheses, press enter. Here we have it. So not only did we add a new data from our first tab right here, and we've automatically sorted our data in ascending order as well. So if we look for a Marcus Demi right here, we have him on our row 32. So we're just going to do that with the rest of our ranges, because right now we only have it applied on the first range or in our first sheet. For our next sheet, if we remove that, there we go. Remove that as well, press enter, and that automatically updates your final list to whatever new data you add to your tab. So if we were to add another one right here on our second tab, let's say that's Veronica, who bought a headset, 2 headsets for a price of $65 each. So that's going to be $130. There we go. So if again we go back to our final list and find Veronica, we will find her at the end right here. One more, if we add another one in our third tab. So we have Levi, who bought a monitor. One monitor with a price of $175, which totals to $175 again. Press enter, go back to your final list, look for the letter L, Levi, and here we have it. So any new data now that you add to your tabs right here will automatically update your final list on this sheet. And there you have it. So not only did we merge our data, we also made sure that if we do have any new data from our tabs right here, would automatically update our final list on this tab. And there you have it. Also, if you do need some extra help with sheets, I have a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out later. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.